Hello friends, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. If you are new here, you are very welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a big welcome back. Today I'm coming to you with another balloon tutorial, and we are going to be making a balloon arch without a stand. Okay guys, for this tutorial we are going to be using a balloon sizer, a balloon pump, and of course some balloons, a fishing line, or a ribbon. Alright guys, that being said, I have here my balloon sizer, which is just a piece of it. I don't have all the pieces together, and it becomes very difficult to size my balloons when the pieces are not put together. So I'm going to keep this aside, and I'm going to show you another way that you can size your balloons in the absence of a balloon sizer. So we will start off by using our balloon pump to inflate our balloons before sizing them. Okay guys, I'm having 4 colors of balloons: the white, the blue, the red, and the black balloons. So what we are going to be doing, we'll be inflating 2 balloons at a time. We just put them in the balloon nozzles and then we inflate them at a time. Now I'm going to size my balloons using the bottom part of my throne chair. Let me show you how I do that. Exactly, this is my throne chair, and I'm going to be using the bottom part to size my balloons. If you notice, I inflated my balloons above the size that I need, and then I will use the bottom part of the balloon. You can use 2 chairs, just put 2 chairs together, and then you use and then you create a space in between to be able to size your balloons. So that is what I'm going to be doing. Oh no, that's not what I'm doing. I'm going to be using the bottom part of my throne chair to size my balloons, and I just put it underneath the chair, and then I release the air from the balloon slowly until I get to the desired size that I want, and then I tie my balloons together. I'm doing it again, releasing the air slowly until the balloon can move comfortably underneath the chair, and then I tie them together. And before I tie them together, I want to make sure that my balloons are all the same sizes and that they are looking round in shape. Alright guys, I'm going to show you this again one more time, and then I'll inflate it very quickly, then we'll move to the next step. Okay friends, now that I'm done inflating all my balloons and pairing them together, I will put them aside, and then the next step will be to put my balloons in quarts. So when we have 2 balloons together, it is a pair, and when we have 4 balloons together, it is a quart. In putting the balloons in quarts, I'm going to be putting all my colors, joining all my colors together. So in each quart, I will make sure that I put all 4 colors of balloons in that quart. You can either, like I said earlier, you can either use a ribbon to create your arch, or you can use a fishing line. In this case, you can see my ribbon. I'm going to be using a ribbon because I feel like a fishing line is a little bit too hard for the balloons. But you can use a fishing line, a ribbon, or some 260 balloons. That is also fine. That can also do the job. So I started by trying to do it in pairs, but I felt like it was going to take so long. So I decided to stop here and put my balloons in quarts before I continue creating the arch. Okay guys, so here I was just explaining because I recorded this video and realized that the volume was not given at all. So I decided to add a voiceover to it. So I was just explaining here the difference between a quart and a pair. So I take 2 pairs and I create a quart. That is what I was trying to explain. So we are going to go really fast and then we are going to come back to build our arch. Alright guys, now that we are done pairing our balloons or creating the quartz, let us start building our spiral balloon arch. In creating the spiral balloon arch, you want to make sure that you're paying attention, close attention to your colors, okay? And as with other balloon arch, you could place the balloons on each other, but in this case, when creating a balloon, a spiral balloon arch, you want to make sure that you are placing the balloons in between each other, okay? You are placing them in between the balloons, not over the balloons. I'm going to show you a closer look in a few minutes. So just pay close attention to your colors to make sure that that spiral shape is coming out or form is coming out. And you can see it coming out. We have the different colors showing in a spiral form. Right guys, let's continue building and I'm going to show you a very close look. Also, another tip I have to give you is to make sure that you are placing balloons close to each other. So you see, when I place the quartz, I press it down so that it is very close to each other. That way, I don't have spaces in between my balloons. All right, now I'm going to be showing you closely what I was talking about, how to place your balloons and paying attention to the colors. You can see that my balloons are very close to each other and I'm making sure that I place them in between the balloon. So each balloon is standing in between the balloon, not over a balloon, if that makes sense. Okay guys, if you are getting some value from this video, please just give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, kindly subscribe to the channel. It goes a long way to support my channel. And if you have questions about this balloon column, let me know in the comment section. And if you have tried it before, or if you have any other tip to add to what I'm saying, you can leave it in the comment section, and I think that it is going to be helpful to other people watching the video. Alright guys, so we'll just keep building, and once we are done, I'll show you what it all looks like, what the entire thing looks like, and then we are going to place our arch up. Yes, we are finally here. It was a little challenging, but we did it guys, we did it. This is what we have, this is what it looks like, and we are going to go on to add our weight to enable it stand. So I went ahead earlier and I added water into some balloons, so I created some water balloons, and I'm going to be using these water balloons as my weight on each side of the arch. That is going to enable it to stand up right. I had my little helper. She's constantly in here. Guys, it is not easy to keep up with uploading videos when you have little ones around you, but you know what, I just told myself I just have to do it. That is why you see my baby on my back, and because I don't want to keep giving excuses. Excuses don't take us anywhere, so I am going to step up, and we all will create these videos. I will create these videos with my babies, so if you see them with me, just show us some love. When adding your water balloons to the ends of your balloon arch, please just make sure that it is very close to the balloons. That way it is not standing as an obstacle, but it is enabling it is helping it to stand up straight. Okay, so you put it closely to the balloons inside, just for it to have a weight. And I'll put the other one on the other side, and we should be good to go. Here I'm just securing my balloons making sure that it is secured. That way my ribbon doesn't run out and then everything gets disintegrated. It's important for you to secure your balloons, and then you add the water balloon to give it the weight for it to be able to stand. Okay guys, so we are done adding our weight to our arch, and it is time to put it upright to create that arch. Ta-da! Our balloon arch without a stand is created and it looks amazing. My daughter said that it is Captain America's birthday. So if you are a fan of Captain America, join us here and celebrate with us, because she said it was Captain America's birthday. So let's celebrate Captain America. There you go guys, this is what we created. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section again. I love it. I don't know about you, and I want to beg you to do this indoors. Use this indoors. You can't use it outside because the wind will carry it away. All right guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, I will see you again. Bye bye.